We wanted to show how the background audio works for the Bronzeville app, Walking Tour app. So when you open up the app, you'll see it loads and you'll have a bunch of tours you can choose. And when you start the tour, the audio will work in the background. So we can continue to scroll and do other things while the audio works in the background.
Continue west for 573 miles.
And you can see the audio still working in the background. So thank you for taking your time to review our application and allowing it to be approved in the App Store. Thank you.